Hello friends, welcome to another SolidWorks exercise video. Today we gonna solve the exercise number 67 of the series. This series of exercise video tutorial is specially designed for my beginners friends. Hope you will learn with fun, and stay connected with us by simply subscribing my channel. Today I will show you the use of various SolidWorks tools like line, arc, smart dimension, circle, trim, and extrude command. We will use only 2 sketches, and 2 extrude commands for completing this SolidWorks 2020 exercise video tutorial. First, we gonna sketch the right side view of the lower portion, and extrude. Then we will do the sketch of right side view of the upper portion and extrude for completing today's part. Hope you will enjoy and stay with us throughout the tutorial and become a SolidWorks 2020 Pro designer.
Let's start. Click on the new part.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click, and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material. Left-click on right plane and select Sketch. Take straight slot command.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Distance is 50 millimeters. Radius is 10 millimeters. Take straight slot command.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Radius is 5 millimeters. Now we will remove this area.
Now take the line command. Now select Smart Dimension.
Right-click and choose Select Others. Distance is 30 millimeters.
The sketch is fully defined. Press OK. Now take Trim Entities command. Press OK.
Still, we need to define the sketch. Make the dimension driven. Make them horizontal. Drag the line outside. Make them tangent. Drag the line outside. Make equal.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Make them horizontal.
The sketch is fully defined. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Reverse direction. Length is 100 millimeters.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view. Now we will make this portion. Left click on front plane and choose sketch.
Now take the line command. Now select Smart Dimension.
Height is 58 millimeters. Radius is 25 millimeters. Height is 40 millimeters.
The sketch is fully defined. Press OK.
Now we will draw the circle.
Now take Circle command.
Diameter is 20 millimeters. Select these circles and make them equal.
The sketch is fully defined.
Width is 10 millimeters.
Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Choose midplane.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view.
Congratulations!
This is the part which we were trying to build. Make this speed 3x. Change this duration to 30 seconds and click Finish.